Another week, another Animworks drop. This one is massive and one that we've been working on behind the scenes for a long time. I'm feeling like we are actually building something incredible. So me and the team are like behind the scenes working on a bunch of different things. And this is one of the first ones that I have the pleasure to unveil. But before I get started with that, I wanted to remind you guys that my book, How to Thrive in the Games Industry, is out. It's been out for I think it's nearly a month now, and the reviews and the feedback and the pictures have been absolutely fantastic. I still have a few limited signed copies that you can purchase from Animworks. I'll drop here a few images of the people that actually sent it to me when they receive their own package. The package is really, really cool. Shout out to Alex Maniotis because he made a whole video on YouTube about how the packaging looks and what you can get when you get the book delivered, because both me and my wife have been working really hard on the packaging of these to make sure that it gets to you in a very original way, in a very unique way that hopefully you really appreciate it. If you're interested, go and check it out either on Animworks for a signed copy, and if you just need a regular copy, then check it out in any retailer out there, Amazon and Waterstones and anything, and hopefully you can get your copy. And if you do, then definitely give me a nudge and let me know what you think about the book. Now, on to the big news. Now here in Animworks, we are actually very committed to be a platform more than anything for all things animation. And obviously we have the rigs and we have all the tutorials and the books and all these other things. And just last week we revealed about motion capture sets, which is yet another thing that was missing out of the puzzle. Now, one other thing that has been missing is actually about three things that has been missing from the platform, and something that I've been doing myself is been coaching and mentorship. These two things are very, very important for the community. I can see it myself with my YouTube channel and my coaching that I've done, but there's a number of other animators very experienced out there that actually do this as well, and they do it at a very good high level. And I do think that Animworks can become a little hub for all mentors and coaches that want to actually have a little bit of extra money on the side to come in and actually share the knowledge that they acquired over many years with all the up and coming animators and people that need advice for their career. And this is exactly what we set out to do about a month and a half ago, by creating this platform that allows people, coaches, mentors, to kind of come in and then be there for you guys, for all the animators. And we're going to have mentors that actually are experts in different areas: Blender, Unreal, animation, life coaching, career coaching. There are so many things that we want to do because people have different strengths. And because we have so many people now that are part of the industry, perhaps, going to a downturn of like losing their jobs, that knowledge never leaves their heads. And this is what we're trying to do. We're trying to basically gather that knowledge, so all of the new generation that is up and coming that wants to learn as fast as possible can grab a coach and learn from them. Okay, so I've said enough. Let me just show you what it looks like. Okay, cool. So now you can see that we actually are on the website. You can see we have a new page, and this page is very much work in progress. By the time you see this page going live, most likely it's going to look way better than it looks now. But you can see that you can find coaches here, and we have at the moment Johnny, myself. I'm talking with a bunch of other people, so expect this page to fill up, because the idea is that you want most likely coaching on different things. And animation is kind of broad, and there's people that actually want to maybe dabble in other things outside of animation. So the idea here is that you have specialities breaking down into, like, if you actually want to do a little bit of compositing or rigging or storyboarding or VFX, we can basically have we have the scope to actually address those things because they are animation adjacent, right? So I do think the VFX, storyboarding, character design, all those things are things that we want to learn because maybe you're working for yourself, by yourself, and you want to learn these things. So this is part of the filter for the specialties. And then there's pricing. Some people are going to be more expensive than others, depending on the experience, depending on the value that they offer. So this is why you have this. And then you also have rating, because obviously we'll have a rating based on your experience with the tutor, because it's all about, you getting the most value, and we want to be honest. So we have Johnny, we have Harvey here, myself, And when you go into a tutor, so if I click on this profile, you get to see more about exactly what the tutor is and what he does. So if you know nothing about myself, you get to see what I do, what things I have done in the past, what kind of things I can teach as well. So there's some things here that are temporary that I need to update. Just bear in mind that all of this stuff is going to be accurate, and you'll be able to actually go through some of the stuff that the person can teach you as you actually are looking for the specific tutor that fits your need. Now, here is the packages, and most likely the most important bit, where the tutors themselves will set their prices and also will set like how much time they have available for the students. And the idea here is very much about consistency, because I know for a fact as a student, if I'm going to have a mentor and it's going to be a mentor for over a specific period of time, for me as a student, I want to make sure that I make the most out of the time that I have, but I also want to make sure that I have times that I know that I can hit, so I can give them updates, right? So that consistency on both the tutor side and also on the student side is very important. So for me specifically, my coaching, as I had it before and I have it now, is very much that I can do 1 hour coaching. So 1 hour, you have lots of information there for you. There's a 1 week coaching, which is basically two sessions at the beginning and end of the week, and then is 1 month long coaching, which is actually 2 sessions. This is actually a mistake. 2 sessions a week over a month, so 4 weeks. So you can basically get the most possible knowledge and information, either to work on your shots, either to review your show reel, or maybe some career knowledge or information that you need from me, or industry information that you need from me. So you have options basically. Once you're ready to book your session, you go ahead and click this button. Those options will show up here. This is where you select the stuff that you need. So you go ahead and select it, and then you select also the dates that you want. So, in this case, if it's just 1 hour, it's going to be on a Thursday. And then you have the times that I am available, which is another thing that the coach, the mentor, the tutor will set up themselves, and then they will give you the available time slots, and then you can confirm and pay. Once you pay, congratulations, you invested in yourself, you're hyped about it. A week's time, however long it needs to be, you're going to have your coaching, and your sessions will show up under my account. And this is going to be, if you have a new session coming up or have several sessions coming up, let's say it's a month long with different sessions, they will all show up here as a list of like when you're going to specifically have the sessions. You can go to your dashboard or go to your email, because we'll send you an email exactly with the same link, and then you can join your session and then go straight into your coaching. But before I go into it, there's also past sessions. And this is very important, because every session that you have is going to be recorded, so you can basically access it on your dashboard at any time that you want, and they're also available to download to you. So this is arguably the most important bit, at least that I think, because based on my coaching with other students, there's so much information given to them, and there is so fast and stuff, that they find much more value by looking at the video again and again and again, because certain things they'll understand now, but certain things they'll understand in the future. It might be 6 months, it might be a year, but it's really good for them to then revisit that video and be able to watch it or rewatch it whenever they want. So this is why this session here. And if you have multiple tutors, you're going to see them here listed, and then within each tutor you will see your sessions. And then if you had a coaching session, if you had a workshop session, they will change, the tag will change, but the video will be the same thing. You'll see it here. If it's a workshop as a group session, it will also show up here. It's just going to be many people in one session instead of just one person. So this is basically what you see on your dashboard. Once again, the dashboard becoming that one source of truth. You can check out your courses here. You can check out all of your orders as well. You also can check out all of the downloads as well, any rigs that you have, any courses, anything that you have. And we also have your wish lists as well. And licenses. If you have any plugins that you've downloaded that you have license for, that you paid a license, you will find your licenses also here in your dashboard. So very important dashboard, one source of truth. Now, you're probably wondering, how does a session look like? Because, it's also like, do I do it via Zoom? Do I do it via Google Meets? And this is where it gets really, really awesome, because before. I have used Zoom to download sessions. I have used Google Meets to download sessions. But not only the quality is not really good, but also it becomes extra work for the tutor to have to upload their videos and have to like tell the students the videos are not uploaded in a specific place for them to access. It becomes a little bit of a mission for the tutor to have to do this, and to do it all the time and kind of like keeping on up with it, it becomes a bit of a mission. So what we've done is actually we integrated the whole webcam experience and recording experience and stuff within Animworks itself. So let me show you exactly how that works. So the first thing you do when you actually go into your session, so let's say you have an upcoming session and you click the button to join the session, or you go into your email and you click the button to join the session, what you see is this. And this, as you can see, is within Animworks, right? The URLs are over here. So it will tell you that the session is here. It will tell you the start date. It will tell you the length of the session, depending on the coaching. So that all the details will show up here. They will show up over here as well. And most importantly, here under my sessions, if I click this link, and I'm just going to right click, I go back to the same place that I just showed you guys before, which is you seeing your previous sessions. So you get to see exactly your past sessions, and then you can basically go through them. So this bit we already covered, but it's just there just in case you are too early and there's nothing much for you to do. Now, if you are too early, there's going to be a countdown here that will count down to your session. So let's say you joined 2 days before, you will actually say your session is going to be 2 days, 10 minutes, and whatever it is. So you will actually see it here. So once you start and you see your camera and you're good to go, you actually click let's start, and then you get to see this. This is very important because not only is more of an interactive experience, but I think there are specific things in animation that we need in order for us to basically share files and talk to each other and stuff. So one of the first things that we've done is very much being able to like move this window here just in case we have a specific shot or specific thing that we have to look at, and sometimes the play button is in the way or something like that. Then obviously your window will show up here as a student, if I'm the tutor here teaching the lesson. And then we have a chat, and the chat is something that we normally share. Here's my latest show reel, or here's my LinkedIn profile, or things like that. So this is very much like me and you as a student kind of like talking through things. And if you want to share any links, we can do it here. You can also close it if you want to, and you can share your screen as you would anywhere else. And then your tutor, as soon as the session starts, the only thing we have to do as a tutor is basically press record. And as soon as you do that and you press record, you will see a record button here. It will show that it's recording here just like this. And then that session basically gets recorded into your dashboard. And you have to do nothing. The tutor has to do nothing. The only thing the tutor has to do is to show up to the session, give the knowledge to the student, and then end your session. And then as soon as you finish that session, the student can go ahead and to the dashboard, access the video. It will take a little bit to process the video and actually get everything going, and the whole thing that we have behind the scene, the scaffolding that we have to basically get the video. But it shouldn't take longer than about 20 minutes or so for you to actually be able to see the video that we just had in the session that you had. And then it will be here in your account forevermore, and you can access it at any one point in time, and it's just there nice and safe for you. So in a nutshell, that is what coaching and workshops look like in Animworks. As you can see, instead of creating a whole platform that becomes almost like a school, this is more about propping up a platform that allows tutors and students to actually kind of like connect, right? The split is the same as everything else on the website. 90-10. So let's say you charge 100 for your sessions, you get the 90, we keep 10, and you can use the platform as much as you want. And here's a platform that has been set up for you, that you really don't have to pay for the platform itself a fee to actually join us. You just have to say, I would like to join you. We vet you, we actually check your experience, and then once you're in the platform, feel free to use the platform. And this is the beauty, I think, of Animworks, because It's our platform to build and to change. So if a tutor or a student comes into our platform and has you his coaching and realizes that either something is missing or something can be done better, absolutely let us know and we'll go ahead and change it if we agree with it, because nothing is static and everything that is being built here, it's all of our own tech, so we can basically change it if we need to. So I hope you are as excited about this as I am. Doesn't matter if you're a student or a tutor, and if you are either of those, and if you have any more questions, get in touch with us, join our Discord if you have questions. But I for sure, I'm super hype about this because I feel like this is where things are going. People want to share their knowledge, and then people want the knowledge, but I don't think there's been anything that kind of connects the two in a simple way that allows people to just join and then share. And I hope this is an easy entry. And if I'm missing anything, or if you think of any of the things that perhaps might be really good for this, please get in touch and let us know. That's the update for this week. A big juicy update. I know it's only one thing, but as you can tell, a lot of hard work went into this. So I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, drop a comment down below. Let me know how you feel. And until next week, stay well, stay safe. Peace.